Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Christmas King Ghidorah. So we're going to just draw the heads on this and we're going to put them in some different poses. So I want to start the first one. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves down and then up like this for the eyebrow. And then I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and then curves around here for the eye. Then I'm going to start right here and I'm going to draw a little curved line for the other part of the eye. And I'm going to draw a little line that just goes down here. And then I want to draw a circle shape on here, kind of like a little Rudolph nose. And then I'm going to add another little circle on here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. And then I'm just going to kind of curve it up and just kind of make it go up, down, and then curve up to here for a little smile. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down, kind of curves up, and then it's just going to come up to here. And then I'm going to add a couple little kind of spiky lines here. And then when I get up to here, I'm going to draw a nice big long spike that comes to here. Then I'm going to come over to this one and I'm going to draw another long spike that kind of comes back and goes to here. Leave a little bit of space. And then I'm going to add a couple little small spikes in between. Then I'm going to just draw a little circle shape in here for the eye, another one, and I'm just going to color in most of this. And then I'll add a couple little teeth in here. And then to make the neck, I'm just going to draw a line right here that just kind of curves out, and then it's going to come down to here. And then another one right here just kind of curves down and goes to here. And then I'm going to make one more right here that just kind of comes down and goes to here. Then I'm just going to make a little curved line right here for the nose, and then another little line above it. Then right along here, I'm just going to add some curved lines to show some scales on his stomach. And then I'll put some spikes kind of right along his back here. Just like that. Then right here up on the horns, I'm going to draw two little lines on this one, and then two little lines on this one. And I'm just going to make kind of like a little wavy kind of antler stick looking line. I'm going to make these little things a little bit different sizes like this, so I'll put one there. And then I'll just kind of do the same thing over here, just kind of make these a little bit different lengths and sizes. You can make them have different amounts of antlers, and then just kind of bring them back to here. Now the next one I'm going to put in the middle. So I'm going to start here and kind of draw a little check mark shape here, and then a little check mark shape here for the eyes. It's going to make a line that goes down and then kind of curves up to here. Same thing here, and I like the eyebrows to be a little bit longer on top. I'm going to make two little bumps for the nostrils, and then I'm just going to connect them with a little line that goes across. And then right here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve. It's going to go down up here like this, and then it's just going to kind of curve back to here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes down. It's going to kind of curve and come back up to here for a mouth. I'm going to put a little curved line on the end of each of these so it looks like he is smiling. And then we'll draw just a few teeth in here, and then we'll put some on the bottom as well. And then two little lines for a tongue. Then I'm going to make a little curved line in here and a curved one in there for the nostrils. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down. I'm going to put two little kind of points on the end of it and curve it up to here. And then right here, I'm just going to draw some pointy lines sticking out here, and then I'm going to put two over on this side as well. And then right across here, I'm going to make a bumpy little line for a hat. And then I'm going to start here, and I'm going to do the same thing up here, just kind of make it look like he's got a Santa hat on. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then go down to here. Curve this one back up. And then I'm just going to put a puffy little line on the end of it, or a little ball shape. Then I'm going to add the two circles in here. Little circle inside each one, and then just kind of color it in. And then right here, I'm going to make a puffy little line that just kind of goes right around here. Make it really bumpy for like a little beard. And then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to curve down to here. And then I'm going to put another one here. And then I'm just going to put two lines right in the middle. And then I'm just going to put a few little spikes kind of poking out on the side here. And then right in the middle, just kind of add some curved lines. Okay, now for our last one. So, this one, you could do anything with it. You can make it look like an elf, you can make it look like a snowman, you could do whatever you want. I will make this one just kind of look like a little elf. So, I'm going to just draw a line that just kind of goes down and up like this. And then I'm going to put another smaller one over here. Little line that just kind of curves down and up. And then another little one right here. I'm going to draw a line that just kind of goes out, and it's just going to curve down, and then kind of give another little smiley face like this. I'm going to put a little nostril here, and then another one under it, and then a little bump out here. And then same thing, just kind of make the little bump line underneath here, and then curve it to here. Then I'm going to start here and add two little spike lines. And then on this side, I'm going to put those two little spike lines. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. And then it's going to come down for like a little elf ear. Then I'm going to put a bump inside with a little curved line for the inside. Then over here, I'm going to just draw a little eyebrow shape here. And starting here, I'm going to make a curved line that goes to here. And then I'm going to draw another curved line right here that just connects to here. Then, for the hat, I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to curve out to here. And then it's going to come all the way back to the head. And this one, I'm just going to put a little circle on the end of it with a little line through here, and then a little X at the bottom for like a bell. And then we'll draw some stripes on here too, just to help it look a little bit more creative. Then I'm going to draw a little curved line out here that goes up and then comes down for the other ear, and then just draw that little line inside. Now, I want him to have like a candy cane coming out of his mouth. So I'm going to draw a little line here that just kind of goes down, and then it's going to curve around. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Make another line, just goes down and curves around. And then I have this line here, but I'm going to use that line just to help make the stripes on the candy cane. Then I'm going to add the little circle here and color in most of it. And then do the same thing on the side. And I'll put a couple little teeth sticking out. Then I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to curve down to here. And then the candy cane is going to block this part, so I'm just going to start here and draw a little line that's going to curve to here. And then I'm going to make a little line here, and then just kind of jump it out and bring it to here. Then I'm just going to put some of those spikes going right down here. And then on here, I'm just going to add some curved lines just to show the scale pattern on his neck. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Christmas King Ghidorah. We've got the Santa one, the reindeer one, and the elf one. Now there's lots of other things you can do. You can always add some little lines kind of underneath the eyes just to give it a little bit more detail. You could add more of the eyebrows on here. You know, there's lots of things you can do. You could put some little lines going down here. You could add scale patterns, whatever you want to do. But there you go. There is your drawing. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.